Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad T10, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode and also remove a screen lock if you don't know the combination to it. So I'm gonna lock the device just so you can see that I do have a pattern set right here. And I'm gonna proceed from here as though I don't know it. So to get started, you wanna hold power key and volume down till the device shuts off, and basically keep holding it. It will turn black like that, and you want to switch to holding volume up now. Sorry for that, not sure what just happened with the camera. And once you see the HUAWEI logo, after like 3 seconds you can let go, and this should take us into the recovery mode. And there we go. So as you can see, we have a couple options right here, but we were interested in this one. So clear data, simply tap on it and then choose factory reset, and from here you want to type in yes, as you can see right over here. So simply using the keyboard, flip it over like so, type in yes, and let's click on done. There we go, factory reset, and as you can see it will now begin. Now this will take only like a couple of seconds, maybe like 20 max. It gets to like 20%, and from there it's just gonna reboot and continue the process in the background. There we go. So from here, once it's finished, what you want to do is click on back and restart. And like I said, now the process will continue in the background. Now this will take about a minute or so, like a couple minutes maybe. And once it's finished, we should be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.